Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer points on Amex. Transferring your points on your American Express card is easy and it only takes a few minutes. Start by visiting americanexpress.com and logging into your account. If you don't have one yet, go to My Account and set it up by following the prompts. Once you're signed in, head over to Rewards and Benefits, click on Membership Reward Program, scroll all the way down until you find Transfer Points. Select it. Click View All Partners to see the full list of participating airline and hotel loyalty programs. Choose your preferred partner. Link your account by entering the necessary details. After linking, decide how many points you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Keep in mind that transfer times may vary depending on the partner, so some may post instantly while others take up to a few days. Once the transfer is complete, you can use your points for flights, hotel stays, or other exclusive experiences. And that's how to transfer points on your American Express card. Simple, secure, and rewarding. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.